Myself, Dr. M. Saranya, Assistant Professor of BBA Department. Now we are going to present a topic on functions of strategy. Strategy helps preparing an organization for the future. It is the first functions. Next one is strategy helps distinguishing an organization from others. Next one is strategy provides an organization with some stability. Next one is strategy serves as a common frame of reference. Next one is strategy supports internal and external alignment. Next one is strategy guides organizational action. These are the main functions of strategy. The first one is strategy helps preparing an organization for the future. This does not necessarily imply long-term plans or planning in general. It does imply though the strategy is forward looking and that it should help organization focus on other things than just the short term and day-to-day activities. Next one is strategy helps distinguishing an organization from others. Strategy helps an organization focus on its unique asset and features and exploit those in a meaningful way. This does not imply a quest for complete uniqueness without some distinction from its competitor, though there is no reason for customers to choose for a particular organization. Next one is strategy provide an organization with some stability. An organization in constant flux or a constant reorientation will drift not realize its full potential. Strategy is not meant as a rigid straight jacket. Organization needs some guidance and stability, though, especially in turbulent times. And that is what strategy provides. Next one is strategies as a common frame of reference. Even though circumstances will change, strategy offers an organization a common point of reference. And this makes that if there is a change, the people and in around the organizations collectively can know what assumption, ideas or plans they are going to deviate from. Next one is strategy supports internal and external alignment. Yes, overarching managerial discipline, strategy provides an integrative overview of the most important internal and external factor to be taken into account by an organization. Such overview helps to align the organization both internally as well as external environment. Next one is strategy guides organizational action. Strategy is not made for the sake of strategy, it's meant to give direction to the things that an organization does. Without such direction, organizations would just engage in uncoordinated, fragmented, and possibly counterproductive action. These are the functions of strategy. Next, we are going to see our role of strategy. There are many roles in strategy within an organization. Now we are going to present some few roles which is present in each strategic organization. The first one is framework for operational planning. Strategies provide the framework for plans by challenging operating decision and often pre-deciding them. If strategies are developed carefully and understood properly by managers, they provide more consistent framework for operational planning. If this consistency exists and applied, there would be deployment of organizational resources in those areas where they find better use. Strategies define the business area both in terms of customers and geographical areas served. Better the definition of these areas, better will be the deployment of resources. For example, if an organization has said that it will introduce a new product in the market, it will allocate more resources to research and development activities, which is reflected in budget preparation. Next role is clarity in direction of activity. Strategies focus on direction of activities by specifying what activities are to be undertaken for achieving organizational objectives. They make the organizational objectives more clear and specific. For example, a business organization may define its objective as profit earning, or a non-business organization may define its objective as social objective. But these definitions are too broad and even vague for putting them into operation. They are better spelled by strategies which focus on operational objectives and make them more practical. For example, strategies will provide how profit objective can be sharply defined in terms of how much profit is to be earned, and what resource of how much profit is to be earned, and what resources will be required for that. When objectives are spelled out in these terms, they provide clear direction to persons in the organization responsible for implementing various courses of action. Most people perform better if they know clearly what they are expected to do and where in their organization is going. Thank you.